Kakasi Student Union Baireng T Circle Scholarship District Mizoram kalau penolong ya Cultural Meet Kom Academic Award haka abso tarik jumbang ajapusan ha Baireng T Community Hall Scholarship District Mizoram hajan kasinong kasi bank kebadai kasinong kebasyong lasa lagi kasi nadu hentai syua ban kha ya kejelam Mizoram mani mikraya bat wat ya ka Assam ro kajing tumu yang ke su Baireng T Circle ban pelong ikan kelumpung kelong ban lumban lang ya barok ikasi basyong basa nadu mencua haka jela Mizoram ban amin sli mi kena puli kasi bagin simkia ya puli puti keblong ga atil ban kenteu bari ada ya jait mereu kasi hajela Mizoram haka di kelumpung lawan ya simbenta da barok ikasi basyong basa Mizoram bagen tup ikasi basa kasinong kasi bank ha paisen bat ha saipum barok gini kisinong gide giba dap bedang hap haka tain nong gendong berkilong giba sadin hakal yang gayok kakot kikasi bolong try sinong Mizoram gidon kumba sispa kasan yeng hakaba prapau long yeng gidon hakasi bank kembamut kasinong hakten misu gidon kumba san spa tam kikasi bat jan baro kim kiim da karep tempel bat kuai ka KSU ka pengkai ka KSU Baireng T unit house nem kat kandai aja kat kandai hadin jisya tombor ginong rep kasi hagwei parjej mereu hepat bat lembaga KSU Baireng T unit berkasi welfare community Baireng T lala ban pembek jingkan art lembaga nya keren bai slok bagi hepat misu hakni kelumpung bala penolong da KSU Baireng T Circle akot subha yau bi la chang soba badai menteri bapai khidmat land revenue and settlement but food civil supply and consumer affairs kumukongsan adon lang ru usamla Donald Withaba ujana secretary ka KSU sengkemi nang ta yau H balang bia suba SDU Baireng T civil subdivision kum gisembut kongsan lapet ku brom ya kandai ngut kisemla puli kasi ba hapadeng kajing siam jing gala ban pendep ya kajing puli jengki haka juk kapol ka KSU ayo bani slok kepang ru yo menteri katnat soka Mizoram ubi lacha hob soba hau kajing sateng ban ya ki land settlement certificate ya kilong yeng kasi gibla sa nadu handai hak tiga tan kuman supentip ki kasi wala kila sa nadu handai ha Baireng T kum ha sinong kasi bank paisen bat saipum hanai kimpat yo ya gikot patala ni kot jaka nak soka Mizoram ka KSU ka klib yang ya kane kamat hakmat utai menteri uni menteri rakula basien katanat badai pej jong u kan sa syong bat bisa lo gitegi jing nut ikasi basa Mizoram
on behalf of
adu mentahi aja pendiri bejuni kadang ya nanti aku jengnya pun banyak perunok ya kakti kasih ho H itu bangang ya pi bala kakti kasih garung ke H itu kamu hangir ya dong hop puli ya kakti kasih penyele seben peru kakti kasih nomor bakal ada kakti kalau official language itu bagi H itu ini sekarang bagi ini ismi Islam diplai baruan nilai perulong ya kata kecing dawa kecungi kapan iPad yang cuma toy ontang yang pateng ke pemerintah rei yang pateng ke adien lu. So I would also like to express my gratitude to our Honorable Minister of State Pubi Lachan Soba for being with us on this auspicious occasion, and also to the co-guest of honor Pubi H. Lalwiap Swava. I was speaking in Khasi to them, and I was mentioning to them that the cordial relationship that exists between the Khasis and the Mizos have been age-old. We have a very good relationship since time immemorial, even during the British era, right from the advent of Christianity to the formation of the state of Mizoram and the formation of the state of Meghalaya. We have been working hand in hand through times, through thick and thin, and I would also like to specifically mention our brethren from the Mizo Zirlai Paul, although they are not here on this occasion, but I hope next time that they will be invited on such occasions of the Khasi. We have been working in Nesu with regards to the aspirations, the aims and the objectives of the indigenous tribal people of Northeast region.
Chief guest Minister of State, and guest of honor, Donald Thaba, General Secretary KSU. I express my deepest gratitude on this auspicious occasion. My best wishes as well. So I think you're coming from outside Mizoram, if I'm not mistaken. And guest of honor and his colleague, on behalf of Vairengti community and being this SDO civil, the custodian of this subdivision, I welcome you on behalf of the community and being the custodian of this subdivision. And I hope you spend this time, this moment, this program in the most memorable way.
In expenditure han pugutu te po in momo em tika ka thok pui na lo zot chewa eng ba kan be sei lo tika ding lo changa kha ka an lo mo le mai chu wang chuan hei in momo puguturin to support your organizing program. I'll hand it over to KSU 7,000 rupees.
Andrew Dekhar Sitish ko Aizol Akaba nilai kendu ya kita kam juga mizu supply power banyak keren tapi jike apa ide buat patah lagi ikut cakap kita di pardo parslam mensuang yang so modern kecil kendik dari Qatar mengalami mende dilada banyak keren dilada pan hoi si kami juga jenis tu hot yang pun UGA di barang sateng hakapai dei bat ka imlang kasalang ka jogi pordok prasnam ni hakapai dei bat ha kami ka jogi baro bat ki issue Central Executive Council ng Pinaposlong na po Meghalaya kanong i ilulunur kanong gelat hakano no por wapi pidon kam mangingilong di bakloy balwan bala ka ketika yang ketika mon nakapanta ka jogi namar wakla Caka strong caka sa ajongi kalom ka bajngai andre aju asnam betul hagi tiet ijongi idan iju kita agi long swa di man swa idan iju tme matam long dan manu bala karya ya ka jepri ijongi hakabai dei bakathan lagade hakan yam dani hakakardang patum dater jepri kasi ngriam buna boy buar dei buat kasi bayar ide jepri kerbang patung kajek negeri apa sempurna lagi dan siapa nak bentaro yang jadi negara kita tume barabori yang kata identity apa hak kita kasih ilong kata snap ujungi kalau terbang hak apa nikong ke kadai hak culture ujungi apa kadai language maka kita ni yang jadi bergerak lalu bawa adep ini babuna anjo kita di jingkuli hak kita kasih mereka orang ini lagi di kantortu lagi mengelang macam isu bayaran di unit harkat kecerdasan di isu barat Malaysia itu penjuru nak kalian ngajungi ingin hak manwat ilang di guna berpermul berkentiu ialah kacang keketir ngajungi amar adu mentahi kajak negeri ngajungi kadang yang nanti hak ngajungi pun punya perumno yang keketir kasih untuk HU
Mengenang express my sincere gratitude to Paul Bajak who called me maybe a week ago to come and participate in this program. I would like to also express my sincere heart of gratitude to Lal Chanova, Minister of State in the government of Mizoram, for sharing your very valuable time with our youth today. I would also like to express our gratitude to Pu Vanlal Biak Zawa, the SDO of Bairangde, for being with us here. Of course, Sister Lydia and other sisters from FMA community for being with us today. I could play a pang yaga KSU unit Bairangde kabala pelongkat kini ke program ke bahe ngaru ngalaju wan sikini snong ai laju lektur bari ba pol sikini snong ke bakhamre mo sate sa saipung batsuai ni bagi kasih ni apo barat angni apo Mizoram ki long ki bayatli ki long lu ki ba pai wala lagi nan duna ki dan thinja ndre ki ya chaprang bar ki kam ki jam ki jongpi apneng bon ki jinge kermat nganget scan ba kindan bon ki jinge ndre ha ki jinge jungi baro ni don le ki jinge klen ki jinge ko ki jinge jungi kam dan jingo te taknau nga sukman bandon rekado. I am very happy to be here with you on this special day when you are going to felicitate some of those who have done well in their academic performances. And if I may take a cue from this particular academic award, the KSU has named it as Machafrang award, I think, Machafrang. So, what is the meaning of Machafrang? Machafrang is basically mean march forward. March forward. So therefore, I appeal to all those who have received and are going to receive this award this year. This is not the end. This is actually the beginning of that journey when you have to prove yourself that you are even more capable to do many wonderful things in your life.